makes a robot and what makes it AI. A robot is a machine built to do a job, like a super tool. Old school robots just followed instructions. No brains, just muscle. If something unexpected happened, they'd keep going, oblivious. Enter artificial intelligence. Now, robots can sense, learn, and adapt. An AI robot has a digital brain. It can see, hear, and even feel with sensors. It processes data, recognizes objects, and makes decisions on the fly. Think of the difference between a wind-up toy and a cat that avoids obstacles. AI lets robots handle surprises and improve at their tasks over time. Modern AI robots combine a physical body with an intelligent mind. They're not just tools anymore, they're partners, helpers, and explorers. These robots can work alongside people, assist in surgeries, or deliver your room service. The magic is in the loop, sense, think, act over and over. We're not just building machines, we're giving them the power to think. That's what makes today's AI robots so revolutionary. Picture a factory, robots everywhere, right? That's reality. Industrial robots, like articulated arms, are the muscle of manufacturing. They weld, paint, and lift heavy parts with precision and speed. These giants usually work in safety cages, moving too fast for humans to be nearby. Companies like Fanuc and KUKA build these workhorses, costing tens of thousands of dollars. Now meet autonomous mobile robots, AMRs. Unlike fixed robots, AMRs roam warehouses, moving goods like smart, oversized Roombas. They use sensors and AI to navigate, dodging people and obstacles. AMRs make warehouses dynamic, efficient, and safer for workers. Companies like MIR and Fetch Robotics lead this charge. AMRs can be reconfigured for different tasks, transforming logistics. Together, these robots are the backbone of modern industry. Enter the Cobot, your new robot coworker. Cobots are designed to work right beside people safely and intuitively. They're smaller, lighter, and stop instantly if bumped. Cobots handle repetitive or heavy tasks, letting humans focus on skilled work. Programming is easy. Move the arm, press a button, and it learns. Universal Robots leads the way, making automation accessible to small businesses. Cobots can switch jobs quickly, adapting to changing needs. They're showing up everywhere, from assembly lines to labs. Cobots aren't replacing people, they're making jobs safer and more productive. Robots are moving beyond factories into hospitals and public spaces. Meet Paro, the therapeutic robot seal. It responds to touch and sound, comforting patients where real animals can't go. Paro helps reduce stress and loneliness, especially for dementia patients. In stores and hotels, robots like Pepper greet customers, answer questions, and entertain. Pepper uses cameras and AI to recognize faces and emotions. These robots aren't replacing staff, they're enhancing service and connection. From therapy to customer service, robots are becoming part of daily life. They show that robots can care, comfort, and communicate. Want a glimpse of the future? Visit Japan's Henna Hotel, run almost entirely by robots. Robot staff check you in, carry your bags, and even store your luggage. It's a real-world experiment in automation, blending efficiency with novelty. Robots are reshaping industries, making factories smarter and services more engaging. They're not sci-fi villains, they're tools making work safer and life easier. Service robots offer support and companionship from therapy to retail. We're just at the beginning of this robotic revolution. One thing's clear, the future is being built, one robot at a time.